Guys, this is Kenzo. So let's go through my weekly idea. So I hope you had a great week. So our analysis was great, so everything was great. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support is really appreciated. So let's go straight to our chart. Today is Saturday, so here is just an overview of what's gonna happen next week. So let's just do our basic analysis and see what do we expect next week. So at the moment we can see this thing is still on a very strong uptrend. You can see the line is just going up. So let's just draw our trends line perfectly. So I'm on a daily time frame here. So the easy way to draw your trend line, you can do something like this. Then you can have a bigger picture what's gonna happen or what is happening. So here you can see it's a very nice picture. I mean a nice trend. It's going up. It's like straightforward. So on a bigger time frame, it's easy to identify your trend or to see where the market is. At the moment, you can see the market is already on the top here, but it can still go here. I think maybe, yeah, maybe 2,000 pips, not 2,000. Yeah, I think 200 pips from here up to here. From here to here, it can still go here, from here up to here, and then shoot down after. But we don't have to conclude yet. Let's go to a 4-hour time frame so that we can see what's really happening. So we are on a time frame, on a 4-hour time frame. So the best way when you do your analysis, please start from top to bottom. You can start from monthly, daily to 4-hour, up to 1 hour, and 15 minutes. We're gonna use it to place our order. So at the moment, the market closed already. I'm on a 4-hour time frame. So you can see here we had a resistance. You can see here we had a resistance, and it seems like NASDAQ already broke that resistance. You can see that. So what we can do here is to wait. Already it tested, so the market shows us that it's going up. So let's see on the bigger picture then, or let me just show you what might happen. So the market is here, it's closed somewhere here, so the market has a chance to go up to this point, or it can also break this point. Then from there maybe we can buy, but at the moment this point for us to buy is very high. We are not going to buy this on this point, even if we see a very nice buy potential. But when we check our trends line, you can see we are already very close to our highest point. You can see when the market reaches this trend line, tend to go down. Even here it might go down if it doesn't break. You can see, sorry, let me clear this. You can see when the market comes, when the market comes close to our trend line, it makes a U-turn. So again, you might ask yourself a question: why is my trend line very high here? This one, actually, a trend line is just a zone. It's not like it's supposed to reach this point or whatever. You can still draw another one here, your inner trend line. You can draw it from, I draw it from the recent higher high. You'll see we have let's see, I don't want to rob it that much, so you can see when the market comes close to this area, to this zone, it always goes down. So it's not really perfect on top, but and it doesn't matter because the market is going up. But you can see when it comes on the bottom, it really respects those bottom lines there. You can see you can see here we have, let's see, you can see from here they were very close, but on top it doesn't really matter. All we want is to buy this thing since it's an uptrend. The upper one, it doesn't really matter because we are not going to sell anyway, because on a very strong uptrend like this, so you don't really have to sell, so you don't go against the traffic. So that is the best way. Then we know that NASDAQ is still gonna keep going up, but obviously we're gonna have a breather. Even if it does go up, but it will come back. It will come back. So the best thing that we can do is to get it somewhere here, somewhere here, somewhere here, and somewhere here. So you don't have to force a trade. You don't have to force trade. You can take 2 days. Even if the market is not doing what you want, then it will come back to you. Relax, do something, check something out, then you will come back and find it where you want it to be. As long as you drawn everything like that, then you know the market is gonna come to an area where you want it to be. So let's see at the moment. So at the moment, since we saw everything, we saw that the market is going up very aggressively, and we identified this point as our resistance. And if you can see, or let me just bring it down a bit so that we can touch most of our higher highs. So let me zoom in a bit. You can see the market broke here and came here and go up again. So it's like, let me delete this one. The market just created another level here. I just want you to see. You can see this level. It's where the market came. But if maybe, let's see if maybe if we go back, this level will make sense. I'm not so sure if, oh, but okay. We mustn't just do everything to suit our trend line. Let's just stick to this one. But you can see here we have another lower low here, even if we have another one here. So from here, what are we gonna do? We're gonna focus on this one at the moment. We're gonna focus next week. Actually, we're gonna focus on this one and just wait for it to come. If maybe it respect this one, we can see, or we have a very strong support. So if it breaks here, then I think it's gonna go down until we reach this point, until we reach our lower level here, until we reach somewhere here. I think it will, if we break below this, it's gonna go down up to this point, then we can able to buy. But at the moment I don't see any opportunity to buy this thing. I don't see any opportunity. So to buy from this point, we will be forcing things. Rather buy it when it crosses here, let's see. Let's draw our sorry. Let's draw this very short one. Okay, we can see here, I'm just doing a short one here because we can see the market was touching this point. Even if maybe I can try to stretch, you can see they are very close, so we can just extend this thing and make it like this, as long as it can touch, because obviously trend line won't be that perfect. It's not supposed to be perfect. So you can see here, when the market reaches this point, just turn it, respect this point, even here, but here it was very far. So let's wait for something again to come somewhere this point. If it doesn't go down, then there might be a very nice chance that it can break our resistance trend line here, and then it's where we can say we might buy, because it will create another new trend line. But at the moment, so we don't have to just guess everything here, so we have to just wait for it to come here. We'll then focus on this point. If it doesn't, then we'll just wait for it to go down, even if it doesn't reach this point. But as long as it can go down, obviously, just because the market won't always come to this point, it might come somewhere maybe here, then return again. So at the moment, our market is on a very high and on a higher high. So the overall picture here, it's the NASDAQ is on a very strong uptrend. So what we're gonna do here is to buy only. So but here it's not safe to buy. What are we gonna do? We're gonna wait for it to come somewhere here, then we're gonna buy it somewhere here. Or else, if it doesn't come back as we expect, it means we're gonna wait for it maybe to break this point, then we're gonna catch it when it comes down. Sorry, we're gonna wait for it to come and retest, then maybe we can get a very nice buy from here. There, yes, we can take that chance. But from here, there is a possibility that it can just go down again, because you can see this is a 4-hour time frame, but you can see these days here the market was just consolidating. Actually, it wasn't moving like this, it wasn't moving like this, it wasn't moving like this, it wasn't moving like this. It was just going around on a one place. So obviously there is something brewing here, there's something happening. So obviously the market wants to go somewhere. You can see it's 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, unless if maybe you were just scalping. But you can see we don't have a nice move from this point, like from here to there and this one. So here there must be something happening. So let's wait for that thing to happen, whether to break, to go up, or to go down. Then it's where we're gonna have a very nice entry. So the best thing is just know that not every day it's a trading day. Some days it's just a day to analyze, then wait for it to do what you expect to do. Then if it comes around, then you enter. It breaks and retest, then you enter, but not from this point. To trade from this point, actually you will be greedy. It's been greedy, you see. So the best thing is we wait for it, then something might happen. So on Monday I don't see any trades here, so I'm just gonna wait for it. Maybe on Tuesday we will have a very nice move and see what you can do. Please guys, thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe and like the videos, guys. This channel is growing very slow, is growing very fast. So even if we are not on 1,000 subscribers, but please go check other videos for last week and understand what's going on. You can learn from Monday to Friday an analysis of NASDAQ, and US 30 from Monday to Friday. Then you can see if you missed something during the week, then you can see what's going on and see how we analyze, and combining that with this with my analysis, you can make something good. Actually, you can make maybe your own strategies out of the analysis, combining with your own. So thank you guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share. Also subscribe. Thank you.